Carinderia Delight at the Paleng.
Kawali. Wow, beautiful.
Ano yung niluluto nila?
You can order fried rice. Lechon sauce.
Fried rice.
Sisig.
Sino the sisig and fried rice?
Sige, isa. Sinigang, pan, lechon kawali, sisig. Kitchen where they cook everything. Not bad.
Kutsara plus plato.
Shanghai. Oh, and forgot what it's called. Beef thingy.
One rice sa akin.
Potatoes.
Sa adobo.